gonna win, man. We're gonna win. Drag. Watch me spin it. Big money, baby. Big money. Keep your eyes on the prize.
Boy, you see me tired of that man, the Daddy Reddss, man. Every day, man, I can talk about gamble house, gamble. He wake up in the morning, gamble. He go to gamble shop. In the evening, as he get paid, no money. See there? I can't even go to grocery right now. I can't buy nothing. See there? I don't know how me I go manage right now. I'm going to kick him out, me and him done.
Going to my gambling house. You think of Chattons? Look. Woo, there it is. The gambling house. Woo, there it is. Woo, gambling house. Woo, there it is. Woo, gambling house. Woo, there it is. Gambling house. Look, the gambling house. The gambling house. Look, the gambling house. The gambling house. My grandma really going gambling house. Look on this one, look. Me I gonna win the money there. Me I gonna win it. Look, diamond. Diamond. I gonna win, man.
Me and him done. I'm tired of this man. He come and look at disease. Every day, man, get up in my brain. Oh, I'm going to the gambling house. I'm gonna win. Man, he make me head that hurt me. Like right now, my brain at me, my liver, my lungs. No, man, that man, you're gonna give me cancer. Him have to leave here, man. He have to leave here right now. Shop lock. I done me done. Backside after. This can't work. Now go work. Done me done. Done me done. You can't bother. Every day gambling, now go work for me.
I don't want to drink his soda. Next time I'm gonna win a lot. At the gambling house. I'm at the gambling house. See, I made my face look rough. That's why I came down here. Look. Dread out for now. See you next time at the gambling house.
How could the man call me? Hello?
What's up, baby?
Yes, baby. How are you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Yes, everything is cooked and curry. Everything is okay. Dinner is prepared. Waiting for you. I even prepared your bubble bath. Yes, everything nice, man. You know, everything set up. Candle, lights, and everything.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah, don't worry. Everything good.
You got a world's greatest.
Hurry up and come. Make sure you hurry up and come.
Look forward right now.
All right. Yeah, bye.
Love you, baby.
Yeah, love you too.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Me and your backside when you reach in here. Me and you when you reach in tonight. Righty. After you care all that money go gamble shop go down here and come call my phone and talk and say, honey, I'm coming home. Yeah, me and you tonight. Me and you. Me and you when you come in here. Alright, Mr. Man. I can't wait for you reach home tonight. I can't wait. I can't wait. Right.
See how my face look rough? I'm at the gambling house. I told you I was gonna win something, right? The next time, don't you ever try to tell me don't come to the gambling house. And I won, right? And now I won. I'm not giving you a raw cent. Not one raw cent. I'm at the gambling house. You see? Exactly. Look at the victor. Call me Victor. Victor Gamble. Because I'm the victor. Victorious. Victor Gamble. And look, I could have won probably 4 or 5 times as much as that. But I felt your spirit. I'll come aggravate I and I. Next time, don't bother me. Look how me get gray up now, me vex. Sure. Victor Gamble.